So he's making progress on the sidecar. This is for that Triumph that's got the Yamaha front end on it. Let's see what he's done with the framework. That's what happens when you got tubing bender. You can bend your own tubing, create your own contraptions.
On a Triumph, you have to run that bar, figure out how to run that bar back there because you got to have room for the Kickstarter to go down. Not like an electric start bike, so you got to work your way around that.
Yep, so we're he's going through and figuring some things out, and there's probably things that'll change yet, but pretty cool project.